What's up everyone, I'm Tankian the Man and welcome to another video, the third video of PCDesk project mod, whatever, call it whatever you want. Things are evolving really well, even though this video is delayed 1 week because I got sick and I had to recover, but I managed to make everything I wanted to for this third video, and I'm speaking about sanding, polyester and applying the primer and another major changes to the to the desk itself. So I'm really motivated. We are getting close to the painting phase. That the thing that I really like about doing this project, when you get really close to the painting phase. But let's see how things went these 3 weeks.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free.
So I have already done some polyester stuff, as you guys saw, but I need to do the SUBWOOFER Sport or older, or whatever you want to call it. It will be right here on this corner, so let's do it.
You always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So really sad to say that I didn't have battery on my camera, but this is the subwoofer holding spot. Okay, really strong. These brackets will not be visible, so I'm not really concerned about them being here because the subwoofer will occupy all this area. But yeah, really cool. I'm happy with the result, really solid. That's what I wanted. And let's move on. I will start working here on the top. I have to place a big plate to make all these edges. So let's do it.
Why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you? Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are?
So now that we have the outside format, I want to make the inside. I have to cut a really big piece here, and I want to create a bezel inside. So if I want to place any LEDs or something like that, I will have room for that. So yeah, let's do it.
Feeling.
Now that everything is secure, we have the the boring part, polyester, everything, but I want everything perfect, so I gotta do this. And well, I'm really motivated, so I don't mind to do this boring stuff, but maybe for you guys it's a bit boring because there's no grinder and sparks everywhere, but well, we have to do it, so let's do it. Well, the sanding continues. As you guys see, I'm sanding a lot of stuff, but everything is getting really good and I'm happy with that. Even this, hidden parts, I want it to be more smooth. So yeah, let's keep sanding. You guys are probably wondering what I'm doing here. Well, more sanding. So now that you guys saw what I've done these 3 weeks, give me your thoughts on the comments. What you think about the evolution of the project, how things are coming together. Well, I want to have your opinion, so yeah, comment below, hit the like button if you liked the video. I want to see what is your feedback about this project. And speaking about the project, of course, we need to speak about the future work that gotta be done. And honestly, we are getting really close to the painting phase, so that's really cool because, you know, after painting the case, I can start working on small details, and that's what I really want on this project. I wanna see this finish, even though I have to be patient because, you know, things gotta be done properly. I wanna see this getting finished. I've already ordered the glass, so it's coming on the probably 1 week, 2 weeks, and it's arriving. I need to start thinking about the water cooling loop, you know, all that stuff, the lighting. Everything gotta be done, so I'm really motivated because this primer phase, this sanding, this polyester phase is probably the hardest, and I have to do a lot of stuff, a lot of sanding, a lot of polyester, and it's kind of boring because it takes time to be done. But I'm really happy because after these 3 weeks, things are starting to get even better, and you know, at least the color is not the same, so that's really cool. But well, I hope you guys enjoy all the building process. Don't forget, comment below with your opinion, hit the like button if you liked the video. If you like the content, well, maybe consider to subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on Twitch because I will start doing some live streams about this desk, working on the desk. So yeah, make sure you get tuned into it. Well, I'm Tankian the Man, and see you on the next one.